Hey guys, in today's video, we are simplifying the square root of a radical. Square root of 75 minus square root of 72. Let me take the radical under the root sign and simplify that first. This is what you have under the root sign. I'm writing it as 75 is 25 multiplied by 3 minus 72 is 24 multiplied by 3. We can distribute the root sign. So you have 25 multiplied by root 3 minus root 24 multiplied by root 3. Now we know that root 25 is 5. Then you have root 3 minus root 24. Let me split as 4 times 6. Then root 3. You can see root 3 being common. Let me factor it out. Inside you have 5 minus. Let me distribute the root sign to 4 and 6. So you have root 4 multiplied by root 6. This equals root 3, 5, root 4 as you know is 2. Then you have root 6. The given numerical expression for simplification is square root of this thing. Okay, let me rewrite whatever is given for simplification. That is this. And this expression we have simplified into this. So let me substitute that here. There comes root 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 root 6. Now again, let me distribute root sign to this term and the other term inside the bracket. So you will have square root of 3, again square root of 5 minus 2 root 6. That equals, see, using the outer square root, the inner square root you can write 3 power 1 by 2. Square root is nothing but that number raised to 1 over 2. So this is what you get. And then comes the other term. Now this is 3 to the power of 1 by 2. This square root, let me replace by the power, which is 1 by 2. Then you have the other term. This on further simplification, 3 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, square root of 5 to root 6. We are making use of this law of index. A to the power m, the whole to the power n, equal to a to the power multiplied by n. That is what we have used here to convert this into this. Now this will be what? This will be 3 power 1 by 4. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. And then you have this square root of this radical. There is a shortcut to find out this, but I will show you the longer approach and then I will show you the shortcut at the end of it. In the longer approach, what we do is you find out two numbers whose sum is 5 and whose product is 6. What are those numbers? If you take 5, if you split into 3 and 2, sum is 5 and the product is 6. That's what you do first in simplifying these kinds of numerical expressions. So this will be, this I am writing as it is. This one, 5 let me split as 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6 I will write as 3 multiplied by 2. Square root of, see, I'm trying to bring whatever you have inside here under the root sign to the a minus b the whole square format. So 3, let me write as root 3 squared. As you know, square and square root are inverse operations and you will get back to 3. In the same way, 2 I will write like this. Then you have 2, let me distribute the root sign. So you have root 3, root 2. Okay, now you look at this, a square where a is root 3, b square where b is root 2 and minus 2a. This is root 3, b. So this is in the form a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is nothing but a minus b the whole square. So you will get this converted into this format. Square root of root 3 minus root 2 the whole square. Can you see this? See, expand this, root 3 square plus root 2 square minus 2 root 3 root 2. Now look at this. There is squaring, there is square rooting. So square root and square are inverse operations. So these two will cancel out and you will have this root 3 minus root 2. So this is the final answer. And if you look at the options, this is the last option. You may refer back to the question. This is the last option given in the 4 different options. Now the shortcut I will show you. You can avoid writing these steps. All you need to do is to find out two numbers whose sum is 5 and product is 6. We know that the numbers are 3 and 2. Immediately you can write like this. See, what I meant is this. To simplify expressions of this kind, 2 root 6, the numbers are 3 and 2 and this is equal to root 3 minus 2. If it is plus sign, you put plus sign. In the problem given here, it's minus. So you'll be writing minus here. You can avoid these 3-4 steps and straight away write this is equal to this. Okay. So this is the final answer. This I showed you to get to the answer as fast as possible, cutting down these 3-4 steps. Please hit the like button if you liked what you saw in my solution, and whatever comments you have, be it good or not so good, or your suggestions on how to improve the channel, drop your comments in the comment section. I would love to have your comments. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notified of my other videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.